Os ydy Drenewydd yn ennill a Caernarfon yn colli, yna gwahaniaeth goliau'n unig byddai'n gwahanu'r ddau dîm. Joe Kenton heibioedd un yn tynnu'r bel yn ôl oddi ar Curtis Watkins i gefn y rhwyd. A mae'r Drenewydd sydd eb ennill yma yn Gynghrair Cymru ers 19 mlynedd ar y blaen wedi 12 munud. Patton yn ildio'r meddiant. Kenton yn chwilio am Leslie. Y bêl-rydd dod o hyd i Mitchell. A dyma Fletcher, digon o le gan Fletcher yng nghanol cae. Mae'n meddwl am ergydio! Yn gwneud hynny, ond Oliver Davies i'r adwyr Barri. Davies yn y gôl heno, yn absenoldeb Mike Lewis. Roedd hi'n arbediad da gan y golwr. Fletcher yn paratoi i hyrddi'r bêl i fewn i'r cwrt. Y peniad allan dim ond teg at Leslie. George Hughes iddo hi. Hughes ar cynnig! Am gol gan George Hughes! I gol gyntaf erioed yn Uwch Gynghrair Cymru. Awr wedi chwarae ma'r Barc Jenner. Hughes yn dyblu'r fantais. Foli hyfryd heibio i Oliver Davies. George Hughes. Fletcher nôl at Hughes. Pas dda, di gweld Williams. Fletcher di barhau ar ediad. Alex Fletcher yn codi bewn yn disgwyl am y cymorth. Thynnu hi nôl, Ruston sy'n o, a Leslie yn rhwydo'r drydedd. Wel, ydy'r Drenewydd am ddringwch ben Caernarfon i'r pedwerydd safle yna. Steve Leslie a'i chweched gol o'r tymor. Williams ar tafliad. Y Barri'n clirio. Y bêl uchel. Mills Evans o Dani am ddiffynwyr ar draws i gilydd. Kane McLagan oedd o'n cael ei dynnu nôl. Oedd yn ôl i Evans ac mae gico'r smotyn. Wel, oedd hi'n edrych fel patai'r trosedd. Y tu allan i'r cwrt. O wedi 95 munud mae'n gico'r smotyn i'r Barri. Kane McLagan yn erbyn Jones. McLagan! Gol gysur i'r Barri, ond gol sydd o bosib yn newid golwg y tabl ar ddiwedd y tymor. O falle bod nhw di colli heno, ond am dymor mae di bod i'r Barri. Gorffen yn drydydd, a wedi 16 o flynyddoedd, maen nhw nôl yn Ewrop.
Really delighted. That was the aim at the start of the evening. We knew what we had to do. We had to try and win the game. I thought we acquitted ourselves fantastically well throughout. We've come against a side who've been superb all season, absolutely superb, and to come here on their own patch and play the way we did, take the game to them and score, create chances, score goals, really, really pleasing. And you hear the word momentum a lot. We can take that. We've had a tough month. I think a lot of it was to do with not having a game for 3 weeks and then coming into TNS and. But I thought, look, come down here, it's a long trip down and we've really applied ourselves well tonight.
I can't let today's sort of poor performance really sour what has been a great season for us, and those lads have been at it, since early July, week in, week out, to put in some great performances, and today I suppose that a really below par performance is disappointing, but I can forgive them this once.
It wasn't the Barry we know on that pitch tonight. Was that because the players were already thinking about Europe, do you think?
Potentially, yeah. I just think that you've got to give Newtown credit. I thought Newtown were excellent tonight. I think that I've gone on record a few times. Well-coached team. I thought they played some really good football, and yeah, we were below par, but let's give credit to the opposition instead of focusing on us.
What's your view on the penalty?
I didn't have a great view. The boys are saying it started outside and carried on inside. But look, what will be will be. We're focusing on the 3 points. It's a great win. Everyone's delighted at the football club. That was the aim at the start of the top six, was to get a home game, and we've got that now. We've got a home game in the semi-final, and that's all we could ask for. And then, we'll prepare now. It's important. We had a good look at Bala. They've had a good look at ourselves last Friday. So we'll work hard now between now and 2 weeks' time before the semi-final.
But now we all saw the celebration at the end, Barry Town in Europe. You can look forward now and prepare for Europe.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think that it was a bit of a tough one at the end there because, you celebrate, the club have given us some champagne to celebrate with and everything. But you know what? You rarely win things in football. You rarely qualify for things in football. So you have to enjoy these moments. Even though after a poor performance, you still got to enjoy it. And I think the key message today is don't let that little sour moment wreck what has been a really good season for us.